Dun, da, da, da. Sheesh. Freshly wrapped. About to slap this on. Big shout out to my homeboy Philip for taking the time and wrapping this perfectly for me. Thank you. Much appreciated. Can't thank him enough. We're gonna install this right about now. Let's go. There it is, guys. Bam! Just makes you want to drive it. Sheesh. Oh, my light just died. Dang it. But you guys gotta see it. Sheesh. Interior's pretty much done. I got some new floor mats I'm gonna put in here, and then we got some shoulder pads I haven't put in yet. I do want to get a Broadway for my rear view. And that's it for the inside, guys. Man, this is the nicest interior I ever had. Big old screen, nice shifter, nice e-brakes, sick steering wheel. Very nice. Very swag. Racing pedals, stock, 8K red line. Come on, stop playing. Red stitching everywhere, black with red. Let's go. And more upgrades coming. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go. Oh, by the way, you can do this to your steering wheel if you know how to stitch and whatever. You can learn and try it yourself. I got this on Amazon for about 25 bucks. And then I got this for, I think it was 15 on Amazon. So you get those things and this. You get all this on Amazon. Probably like 50 bucks, and you can make your steering wheel look like this. Just got to put in the time. And yeah, it's coming along, guys. Amazon. This is custom. You have to cut it like big old 1.5 inches, 2 inches on the boot. And then that's custom painted from my friend. I'm not a good painter, so I let my friend do it, and it came out amazing. And this is $8. Oh dang, the light came back on. There you go. $8 for the e-brake handle. That was Amazon. Cheapest is on Amazon. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Look at that. Just look at that. Will you just look at it? Just look at it. Dang. I think I'm gonna sleep in here. Good night. Another little update. We're gonna be replacing the mass airflow sensor. Got a code. So I am gonna fix the problem. Went with the OEM. It says it's OEM, but you never know. Right there. Denso. And Denso. So I'm gonna put this onto there. We got 2 screws. And this is the part number. Right there. So you guys need a mass airflow sensor for your FA5. There it is. So I'm gonna swap it out like that. So I've been driving, and I gotta say, for this coil setup and how low you go, I went not too low. I'll show you once I park. But for how low I went, you definitely have to put all 4 on all the way stiff for like the best ride. It is, I had the front super soft, and I think I bottomed out. So if you're not trying to bottom out, go ahead, put the fronts all the way stiff, the back all the way stiff, and it's amazing right after that. So I'm on the freeway, and it's just like nice and smooth. It's not all bouncy and, you know, when you got cut springs or something like that, or like a real cheap coilover. This is some quality right here. You just gotta play with it to your liking. I also had it to where I had the back all the way stiff and the front halfway stiff, and that rode good too. But I like to hit corners and just hit corners and haul ass. So I want it all the way stiff. I want all that grip, and I want to go. But if you're just a cruiser, then you can probably go half stiffness in the front and half stiffness in the rear. And that might even be like a chill ride. But for me, I went all the way stiff, all the way on 4 corners, and I'm liking it. So yeah, this is my little review. I'll show you how low it is now after everything's settled. And I think I do want to lower the back just a little bit more. So I probably will do that, but for the most part, you'll see how low it is. And you guys could adjust yours, to that or to whatever you like. And then, what else? Another thing, all the settings for like camber are pretty dialed. Like I let go of the steering wheel and it just goes straight, so that's good. And then, it's pretty much. Yeah, just count the teeth on the coilover strut. I believe I went 13 teeth in the front, 8 in the rear. So I'm probably gonna go 5 teeth. And I'm talking about the teeth in the rear with the spring, not the strut. The strut, I think I went I have to double check, but I'll check that when I lower the back. See that? We might have dinner. Little Subaru. We'll see. I got the AC on. I got the AC blowing. Homeboy, pull up next to me, homie. We're gonna have to turn the AC off. Give them all the IV tech. Alright, that's going to do it for this one, guys. I'm about to hit some traffic. So, yeah, overall, win-win. Let's go.